Alrighty guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I really want to talk about the top autonomous driving stocks to buy in 2021. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you get anything in value, hit that like button and subscribe. If you guys have any questions or concerns, go ahead and ask them down in the comments. And if you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, go ahead and check out my course. And you guys can use promo code DIVIDENDS to get 50% off. It's definitely worth it. We talk about fundamental technical analysis, how to find undervalued stock. We talk about taxes. We pretty much talk about everything you need to know for investing in the stock market. So I'll put a link to that down below. And guys, we have merch, anything from t-shirts, hoodies, and even fanny packs. So I'll put a link to that down below too so you guys can check it out. So now to jump into it, roll the intro, let's go. Bam. So now me personally, I think that autonomous driving carries a ton of long-term and short-term potential because there's so much momentum behind autonomous driving. So really these companies definitely do carry a lot of risk, but also they carry a lot of reward. So with that being said, let's jump into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so the very first stock here is Google. Now a lot of people think of Google as just the search engine. They don't think of Google as an autonomous driving company or a car company. But the thing about it is Google has been working on an autonomous driving car for literally years. They are honestly one of the front runners in that sector, which is crazy because a lot of people think of Tesla, a lot of people think of NIO, as autonomous driving cars and companies. But honestly, Google has been working on this for quite a long time. So with that being said, looking at the chart, you guys can see it does have some overall highs, which is the resistance here at around $2,100, some support here just at about $2,000. But I believe that a perfect strategy for Google would be dollar cost averaging. Most of these stocks here, dollar cost averaging would be phenomenal because you can use the volatility to your advantage. You can use the falls to your advantage because honestly, a company like Google, they own a variety of companies. And I really believe they're going to be one of the front runners in the autonomous driving sector here. But stock number 2 is ticker symbol TSLA. I think we all know that this one was going to be on the list here. But breaking down this stock chart, you guys can see it does have some resistance here at just about $900. Some more support here on this 200 moving average line. Me personally, I think this would be a perfect one lump sum investment into Tesla. The reason why is because you guys can see every time it's hit this yellow line here, we get buying pressure. So we get buying pressure here, 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 and now it's coming in contact with it down in here. What do you think is going to happen? Sell off or more buying pressure? So you got to look at these falls, for your advantage because you never want to buy when the stock's up in here. You always want to buy low, sell high. So really, I think this would be a perfect buy zone, but we all know Tesla is one of the front runners too in the electric and autonomous driving auto space. So Tesla is one of the first companies to have and sold already autonomous driving cars, which is phenomenal. So I do think there's going to be a lot of front runner advantage for Tesla here in the near future. Now, the third company here is the one and only GM Motors, ticker symbol GM. Now you guys can see this one does have some overall resistance here at around 58. Very similar to Tesla. It's hit it multiple times at that resistance, but then we got some sell off here. Looking at it, I do think this could be a perfect buy zone just by looking at the RSI, which is the relative strength index, which is an overall momentum indicator, really telling if you should buy or sell stocks. When it's over up in here, this is when you will have a tendency to actually sell. When it's in the green, that's when you buy. So you guys sell up here, buy down here. So now with it falling all the way down in here, I think this would be a perfect opportunity here for the technical standpoint. But GM is another car company that is really focusing on electric vehicles and autonomous driving, which is incredible for investors and consumers because there's so much hype around these cars, which is fantastic. They tried to merge with Nikola Motors. That didn't really pan out because there was a lot of fishy stuff going on with them. But overall, GM really wants to get into that field. They have the Hummer coming out, which is a electric car, but they're really focusing here on autonomous driving, which is great. So now another car company that is working on autonomous driving is ticker symbol BIDU here. Now this company just released their Apollo car, which is a full self-driving car here. They showcased it, which is absolutely incredible. That's why we've had a beautiful upward trend in stock price, really lows at 105 and highs here at around 330 here. But overall, that is that overall resistance here. But overall, this car company looks phenomenal. The cars are cool. I obviously believe perfect strategy, dollar cost average this one all day long. This one has a market cap well over $100 billion, which is incredible. The thing about this one here, so they showcase their cars, and I obviously believe with the overall demand, it's just a matter of time before we see a lot of these car companies start coming out with self-driving cars, autonomous cars, electric vehicles, which is incredible for both investors and consumers. So I think we should definitely note this one here too. So now the last car company here that's really focusing on autonomous driving is Volkswagen, ticker symbol VWAG. Now they just released saying that they are going to be investing just over $1 billion into a car company that's working on autonomous driving and electric vehicles, which are some of the top growing sectors out there. And you guys can see the stock fell, hit lows here at 15 and rallied up here, highs here at $22 per share. I believe the overall demand for this is just going to get stronger and stronger and stronger. And they are working with a variety of Chinese car companies trying to figure out the best approach for their electric vehicles, which is incredible, guys. So I obviously believe that car companies and electric vehicles and autonomous driving definitely carries a lot of potential. But before you guys go heavily and invest, maybe have a base of ETFs, blue chip stocks, or even bonds to act as your defense in your portfolio, because look at these stocks here. They're pretty volatile, and you want something that definitely has a little more defensive side for your portfolio to kind of manage out those swings here. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe. If you guys have any questions or concerns, go ahead and ask them down in the comments. And if you guys want to learn more about investing in the stock market, go ahead and check out my course. And remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care. Bam.